Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday and a great week. Well, welcome to my Watertown Memory Wednesday, and today we're going to be working a little bit down in here. The color is 869 and it's kind of a mustard green, if you will. Yeah, I don't know how else to explain it. And I do have my Dragon Boat Festival one today. Whoops, I'm trying to get the shadow off of it. So sorry. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. So that's what I'm using for a needle minder today. And let me bring you in so you can see what we're doing. Let me maybe just out a little bit. There we go. Whoops. So how is everybody doing? Today is my Friday already. Yep. It feels like it was just Monday. What can I say? Didn't get much stitching done yesterday. I was just kind of fried from work. It was just boring, kind of slow, but I expect it to pick up here in the next week or so. People coming in for Thanksgiving, that kind of thing. So I guess we're going to have this at the I think it's the American Legion. They rent out their so-called hall, and it's the same place my daughter and I used to go play bingo. So we'll have that, and it has a full kitchen. So, yeah. I'm going to drag you down just a bit. Sometimes it gets a little too close. So we'll be doing that on Thursday, and she's got things ordered and everything done. So all I got to do is make a Jello, and what else? Oh, I'm gonna make a relish tray, and we'll get it whooped together somehow. We ordered like what do you call it? They have those specials at the grocery store. I think it came with 3 sides, or what she ordered. 3 sides, a ham, and something else, maybe a salad or mashed potatoes and gravy. So everything will be done, and she won't have to cook so hard. And the turkey, all you have to do is put it in and heat it up a bit, or heat the ham up. My son's bringing the turkey. He's going to make that at his house and then bring it up when it's done. So that's the plan. But I think we got totally enough food for 9 or 10 people, so that'll work. Man, it's kind of hard to see that. It's kind of a lime green symbol, and of course there's several other green looking symbols in between that, so hopefully when I get done stitching today you'll be able to see. But this had the most area to stitch, so that's why I picked it, and the number was right there, so I didn't have to go hunting for what color and symbol it is. I hate looking those things up on the pattern. It just kind of drives me crazy because of course the symbols are different. Yeah, so it's just best to stitch where the number is. It's over here. I've left that area free and clear. I will try to stitch on this some more this weekend, or the days I'm off, not necessarily on the weekend. It's supposed to be nasty this weekend, but, you know, things could change. It was supposed to be nasty on the weekend last weekend, and it didn't do a thing. I think it rained for maybe a half an hour. That was it. They got a tad bit of snow up on the mountains, but nothing too horrendous. It just rained down at our level. We're at like almost 9,000 feet. And yeah, the mountains are at 14,000 feet, so a little bit of a difference. Then we had all that lovely wind. What was that, Monday? Holy cow, that was nuts. So maybe it blew some of it out of here. I have no idea what it's supposed to do for Thanksgiving Day where we're at. Put that needle over there. I'm going to get this one line here. We'll have to stop and start again. Sorry, but it's just kind of hanging fire by itself, so we might as well get it while we got something, the needle threaded, you know what I mean? I hate leaving something behind and then I have to thread it just for those 8 or 9 stitches. So, what's everybody else up to? Anybody going anywhere this weekend or going anywhere for Thanksgiving? As far as that goes, I know you don't celebrate, you've already celebrated Thanksgiving in, what is it, Canada and England, maybe? I don't know if it's the same as Canada, but I don't know if you have any holidays coming up other than Christmas. Not a clue. I just feel like any day now it could just snow. There is a bite in that air today. It was maybe 55 today, tops. And by the time I left, it was maybe 45. Sorry, I gotta do this. But it was just cold dampy, you know? I don't have any other word for it. I got the wrong scissors. Boy, did I. Let's try not to cut the canvas here. This green is kind of helter-skelter. It should have been one that I left until I got everything around it. And then it would have showed up. Very nice. But I didn't feel like messing with 3371. You know, my dark brown. That is kind of like, I want to call it an outline. Oops, I missed. My bad. An outline of the buildings. And there's another dark color, but I can't remember what the number is that they use. But there is plenty of that 3371. It's everywhere. I must have 3 cards full of 3371 just for this kit. Nope, did it again. Like I said, there's several greens right there. What's everybody working on? Hope you're stitching on something fun and exciting. Maybe something for Christmas, for a gift, or something just for yourself. I got some Christmas kits coming from some of the places I do reviews for. So we'll see what they look like. I didn't order any Huracan. I just kind of stay away from it now. They're big on details in the pictures, but when you go to stitch them, the details just don't come out. So I'm sticking with Joy Sunday this year. I did look through the Spring Company, and I didn't see anything new that tripped my trigger as far as that goes for Christmas or the holidays or winter, you know, even in general. So Joy Sunday seemed to have the best, you know, ones to choose from. So some are small, some are big, but not huge. I haven't ordered a big, huge, ginormous kit since, was it the ladies or this one? One of them. I think it was the ladies that I got last that was the big, huge kit, but I like it well enough as well as this one, so just not looking for anything ginormous to start like the beginning of the new year, unless somebody comes out with something that I just absolutely cannot live without. You know how that goes. So between these two and Riverside Building Night Moon and Colorful Town and the Peacock, oh, and Mediterranean, yeah, I'm good to go. I don't know if I can get those three in there. This color is just kind of here, there, and everywhere. Oh yeah, I got plenty. I thought I was down to the nitty-gritty. I like to run my thread all the way out, get good use of it. So I'll take it down till there's about 2 inches left, if I can. Like, oh, I don't like them scissors. I like my other ones better. But yeah, so there's about 2 inches of thread left. So I use my thread up pretty well. I'm just gonna put that right there, and we're gonna get this out of the way. I gotta get that, I passed that, what do you call it, dragon boat one up when I was looking for Mediterranean the other day, so I know right where it's at. But it's another big one. But it's kind of got that stiff material, so I wasn't real fond of it. Well, I don't know that you can tell where I stitched, just kind of here, there, and there. Like I said, I should really have put in that dark brown so I could see what's going on. But I kind of wanted to finish this, but it's only got strips of color, so just a little bit. So that won't work for a video, or we'll be changing threads every 2 seconds. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.